This is how to use one of these Scott's Turf Builder with Edge Guard, but this is a fertilizer spreader. And a lot of times when you get your fertilizer, it would have numbers on it. This one don't have the numbers that I'm looking for, but those numbers, according to the spreader that you use, would be these numbers here. And it starts at 2 and it goes all the way up to 15. And with the 2 and 15 is based on this right here. This is your gap, and like now this is set at 2. This is your this is the handle to open up the gap. So at 2, you see how small that gap is. So when you move it up to just say 5, watch the gap, it's going to get a little larger. See there? And if you go up to, we're going to say 9, watch the gap, it's larger. Here we're going to go to 13, watch the gap, see that large gap. And at 15, it's a large gap. And when you purchase your fertilizer, it's going to have a setting number. I'm going to put this at 3. No, I'm going to put this at 4. Okay, and you put your fertilizer in. It's going to be in beads, little small pellets, and that gap is going to regulate how much spread you have. This is a little spread at 4. I better go and make that 6. Okay, I'm going to use 6. It's going to spread pretty good. If you go with 9, 10 up to 15, it's going to be a heavy spread. I was talking about the scam that the lawn companies do when they spray your yard, well, treat your yard. They will put those white pellets all on the concrete, but you wouldn't see the pellets in the lawn. This is what I'm talking about when they have good service. You see, you have pellets all in the yard. Here, you have pellets. Let's go on the other side. Let's walk this yard. And you see, when the customer comes back, you see all the little white spots. Those the pellets. You see them? That's treated. You have good service here. You see those white pellets? So when you walk in the yard or the lawn, you should be able to see the white pellets, the red pellets, and then you have brown pellets as well. But that's an indication that your yard has been treated properly. And as you start rolling the spreader, you see that agitator down there? It's going to break up the beads. The beads going to fall down on this thing right here. It spins up. So see the agitator spinning? It's just rolling. It's going to spin and throw the beads out. So you get your fertilizer, whatever fertilizer you're going to use. It may have the settings, see right there, spreader settings. It may have the spreader settings on the fertilizer for your best spread. This is fertilizer, it's basic fertilizer, so I can go kind of heavy, and I'm gonna leave it at 6. Put your fertilizer in here, set your setting, and start spreading. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Come back, see what other videos I might be posting. Thanks for watching.